Ouch! Huh? Samuel! Sammy! Where are you?
Quiet, Susie. I'm hunting here.
In an ambush? Who do you want to find?
Looks like someone stole my candies.
Oh, Sammy, you probably hid them and forgot. Come, I'll show you more interesting ways to hunt. Hi, guys! Look what I've got here. 15 whole boxes with little big bites. I can't wait to open it. Look! Seems like someone's already bitten it. And someone is watching us. Oh, the box is daring me. I need to open it fast. Oh, there's someone with teeth in here. I'll have to stick my finger in there. Let's see. Aw, so cute. And not scary at all. I guess he was just hungry. Who is it? Hippo, I think? Alright, we need to check out the other items in the box. These are the instructions. This looks like a stand. Ooh, and a baggie. We'll start with the instructions. I'll take a closer look. I think it's the description of the toy, and how to use it too. Huh, we did everything right. And there should be an accessory in there. Great, I can't wait to open it. Okay, let's see, come on, baggie. Ugh, these toys sure have stubborn baggies. I'll try the scissors. Be careful with sharp items, guys. There. What's in here? Wow, it's a little pumpkin. It looks delicious. By the way, there's also a clamp here to use the toy as a keychain. We'll use it to feed our hippo. By the way, the jaws of these animals can be reset. Let's give it a try. Yum! This is our adorable keychain. Let's find you in the collection. Oh, there are so many of you. Our first is the purple hippo from the Pawns and Plains series. Let's take him off. Who's the next one? I wonder if this animal will be as hungry as our hippo. And… Aww! What a cute kitty! We'll feed you in a moment. Wait here while I take out the rest. This set also has the instructions, a stand, and a baggie. I'll open the baggie with my trusty scissors. Zip. And… Oh, a little fish. I hope our kitten will like it. Come here, buddy. Nom 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 nom. By the way, the stand works as swings. Have fun.
Who's that? I need to take a closer look. Maybe you took all my candies. Or you. Sue, I need to talk to him.
Sammy, wait! Ugh, Sam probably just ate his candies himself. Let's continue. We've got a gray kitten from the Hot Spot series. Who will be our next little companion? Let's see who's hiding inside. It's so easy to open them. Huh. I think these teeth differ from the others. Who's our toothy guy? Wow, it's a shark! We'd better not show it to Sam. Let's get our trio out. The instructions, the stand, and the purple baggie. We'll open it and feed our shark. Da-da-da! What's that? Oh, it's a hot dog! I never thought sharks like hot dogs, but I hope our shark will like it. Open wide and… yum! I hope you'll become friends, guys. Let's pick our shark from the Deep Blue Sea series. We already have opened 3 toys, and they are all from different series. Let's open another one. This one. Opening it the usual way. Wow, this animal has yellow teeth, kind of like our hippo does. And… oh, it's a dinosaur! Awesome! I think it's just a baby. So cute. What do you think? Right, we'll take out these 2. Okay, and now… open the baggie! Zip. And it's… a piece of meat on a bone. Looks appetizing. What do you think, Dino? Will you like it? Give it a try. Oh, I think he does. Go join your friends. We've got a dinosaur from the Prehistory series.
Our new friend helped me find the candies! I hid them and then forgot about them.
I'm glad, Sammy. Now let's return him to his friends and open another box. I've had enough practice with this step. And… zip! These teeth aren't sharp at all. I wonder who's hiding in there. And… come on! Wow, it's a monkey! I think I know what you like eating. To get to the baggie, we need to take out all the rest. And here it is. Isn't it strange that you can only open these baggies with scissors? But of course, it's a banana. Even though not all monkeys like bananas, this one does. Let's feed you. Enjoy your meal, sweetie. And don't bite anymore. Your friends are waiting for you. Oh, we've got the second toy from the Hotspot series. Who will be our next little big bite? I hope it'll be someone from a new series. Come on, who's in there? Who's in here? Go on, bite! Bite! No? Come on! Let's see who doesn't want to bite. Oh, it's a panda! I need to check her series right away. Yay! It's a panda from the Out of the Woods series. And tick! I wonder what she likes to eat. I'll try to guess… bamboo? Huh. There was an image in the catalog, but it was unclear. Getting it out. And… what is it? Ice cream? Not bamboo. Strange. Guys, what do you think pandas like most? Ice cream or bamboo? Write in the comments. Look at this cutie. There are so many little big bites, and they are so different that I don't know which one to open next.
Susie, open at least something.
All right. I really like opening them. Oops, this one decided to be naughty. And let's take a look. Wow, it's a fish. And it has a golden tooth. A goldfish with a golden tooth. Very stylish. Let's hurry and get a yummy treat for you. Here it is. Opening it now. Pop. What do fish eat? An anchor? Unexpected. The food for our little big bites is getting more and more interesting. I hope you like it, fishy. Here you go. Let's tick our fish off in the catalog. We've got the second toy in the Ponds and Plains series. There are so many of you. Do you want another friend? We'll open one now. Guys, if you like this collection of toys just like I do, give this video a thumbs up. Who is it? A bunny? You're so unusual. Blue. Very pretty. Let's see what comes with you. Well, we've already seen all that. But we haven't seen what's inside. And our blue bunny loves an orange carrot. It looks just like the real thing. Well, you're definitely going to like it. Crunch, crunch, crunch. Let's find you in the catalog. And… oh, it's the first toy from the Town and Country series. And the next one, I choose you. I hope this animal will be just as cute as all the rest. And here we go. Oh, it's a doggy. And she's got a collar too. I think she's supposed to be a pet. I hope you've built up your appetite. What will be a treat for you? Come on, Baggy, let's feed our doggy. I hope there's something yummy in here. And it's… of course! It's a very delicious bone. You're gonna love it. Say ah. She reminds me of Cookie. I only need to tick her off now. And it's the second toy from the Town and Country series. Sammy, pick the next one.
Sue, I've already chosen this one.
Oh, thanks, Sammy. I wonder which animal Sammy has chosen for us. Come on out. Oh, it's a cat. And it seems to be a pet, too. He looks like our Fluffy, right, Sam?
Yes, Susie, just as beautiful and stripey.
Fluffy loves his cat food. What about this cat? Oh, it's a mouse. Only it doesn't look very edible. So, Kitty, play with it, but don't eat it, all right?
Meow. Sue, I think the real Fluffy is hungry, and We need to feed him.
One moment. I only need to take off our kitty. Can you believe it? The third toy from the Town and Country series. So today, we've opened 10 different toys. I hope next time, we'll collect even more Little Big Bites.
Guys, do you like these animals? If you do, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and tell your friends about our channel. Bye-bye!